Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the personal voice flow now. Begin in Settings Accessibility and choose Personal Voice. This moves you straight into recording. Make sure you're in a quiet room with the phone mic clear because background noise ruins modeling. Tap Create New Voice and accept prompts. You'll read about 30-60 short phrases. This gives Apple varied samples to learn your pitch, timing, and articulation. Once done reading the first batch, the model will store those clips for analysis and recommend the next set. Now you'll record the detailed samples that shape your voice. Speak naturally. Pick your usual pace and intonation because the model copies habitual patterns. Forced voices produce odd results. Make sure to re-record any flagged phrases immediately. Use the preview to compare waveforms and listen for breaths or clipping. Once you finish, the system needs time to process the samples on device or sync to iCloud for heavier analysis, so make sure your phone stays charged and on Wi-Fi if prompted to upload. Finish by selecting Use Voice and test it in everyday features like Siri or Speak Selection to hear real results. If the output sounds metallic or too flat, retrain specific expressions. Record a few conversational lines or quieter phrases to capture nuance. Make sure you vary pitch and cadence. If problems persist, delete and recreate the personal voice as a last resort because resetting clears the model. One key tip: if uploads stall, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, then restart the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.